While there are many causes for a foundation to settle or sink, one of the most common is the bearing strata being compromised by changes in moisture levels. In this example, after much precipitation, the water table rises high enough to saturate the bearing strata soil. After the soil dries out, it collapses, causing the foundation to settle or sink. Robbins and Company offers two permanent solutions to repair a settled structure. The load-tested resistance or push pier system is one. The other solution is with helical piers, steel piles screwed into the soil until required torque is achieved. Let's first take a look at the push pier system. Push piers are installed by first placing a heavy-duty steel bracket underneath the footing of the foundation. Then, utilizing a hydraulic ram, steel piles are driven through the bracket below the structure until they reach load-bearing strata. Additional piers are installed to stabilize the entire affected area. After all of the piers are installed, hydraulic jacks are placed atop each pier in order to uniformly lift the structure. After the structure is lifted, the jacks are removed, and the piers remain permanently in place. The helical pier system is installed by drilling steel piles into load-bearing strata. This steel is driven until it reaches torque levels sufficient to bear the weight of the structure. Different from push piers, the weight of the structure is not used to drive the piles. This makes helical piers ideal for new construction, since the piers can be installed before new concrete foundations are poured. Once the piers are installed, hydraulic jacks can also be used to lift the structure, and the piers remain permanently in place. Due to the weight of the structure, if all settled areas are not stabilized, an attempt to lift the structure may cause additional damage to the foundation. Engineering requires that pier spacing be 5 to 7 feet apart depending on the strength of the footing. The International Code Council, or ICC, requires that the pier spacing be no more than 6 feet apart depending on the strength of the footing. The helical and push pier systems are guaranteed solutions for permanent foundation stabilization and come with Robbins and Company's standard lifetime warranty.